Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to assign objects to multiple owners using custom owner properties in this platform we call HubSpot. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right. I'm your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative, bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and to get instant notifications, make sure you hit that bell as well. You want to get all the happy HubSpotting happening here, right? As your organization scales, your customers will interact with different members of your team throughout their life cycle. A BDR, a sales rep, or maybe even an onboarding specialist or customer success manager post-sale. And let's be honest, that's probably just the beginning. There's probably even more people that they'll interact with. Well, previously you had a single owner property in HubSpot called appropriately HubSpot Owner. In order to align your process with your customers' various touch points within your organization, you needed to create a custom pick list property and update it manually each and every time there was a transition on your team. And frankly, that sucked. It sucked because it added time, effort, and energy that you should have been able to spend with your customers or doing other important things. As an added pitfall, your user permissions wouldn't respect those custom properties you spent all that time creating. Double suck. Let's say you had a BDR owner property and gave it a value of Bob Jones for a certain deal, while maintaining Bob's teammate Jen as the official HubSpot owner. If Jen had permissions to view and edit deals she owned, she wouldn't be able to access that deal. What? With this HubSpot update, you can now create custom owner properties that pull directly from your user lists in settings. That way, the pick list options are dynamically updated. As an added bonus, permissions respect customer owner properties. Hallelujah. So in the case we used a couple seconds ago, as the BDR owner of the deal, Jen Smiley would get access to that record as well. Wondering how it works? Well, I'm glad you asked. When you create a contact, company deal, or ticket property, there's now a property type called HubSpot User that pulls dynamically from the user list in your account. Create owner properties to align with your team's touch points and assign owners manually or using workflows. Customer owner properties are now live in all HubSpot accounts. Hey, did you like this video? Want to get tutorials like this right in your inbox? Then check the description below and sign up for our special Sprocket Talk only list. Head over to our private Sprocket Talk Facebook group for more education and a community of other HubSpot users on this journey to master this thing we call HubSpot. Make sure you hit the likes, the subscribes, everything, so we know that you're part of the HubSpot community. And last but not least, if you need training past this video, check the description below. That's what we do. Yep, we love you that much. 1- and 2-day on location HubSpot sales and marketing workshops. Until next time, this is your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative saying go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.